Hey friends, this is Andy and today I'm sharing an easy banana oatmeal muffin recipe with you. These are a great breakfast idea. They're nut-free, gluten-free, and dairy optional. To make the muffins you'll need oat flour. I make my own from rolled oats using the food processor. Add the oat flour along with 1.5 cups of rolled oats, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon to a bowl. Add ripe bananas to a plate and mash them with a fork. You want to use ripe bananas with brown spots because they will add sweetness to the muffins and are also easier to mash. Add the banana into the bowl along with 2 eggs, maple syrup, milk, vanilla extract, and mix all the ingredients together. At this point, you want to let the batter sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This will help the oats soak up some of the moisture to make the muffins more light and fluffy. Scoop about 1/4 batter into each muffin cup that's lined with cupcake liners. I like to use silicone cups because they are colorful, which are fun for kids, and easy to wash and reuse. Sprinkle a bit of rolled oats onto the top of each muffin, then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when poked in the center. These muffins make a really easy breakfast on the go or afternoon snack. For more easy family-friendly recipes, visit my website at www.andyan.com.